this is the chicken that you want to take to eat for lunch when you're having a crazy week at work, so that once you taste it, you become one with the chicken. As the chicken is sweet, so are you. What's up guys, it's the Curious Munch, your food bestie, back again. Hey! So a few days ago I posted the sweet and spicy chicken alongside our Chinese fried rice, link below. Some of you guys wanted to have the recipe, so I'm here to share it. You're welcome. Alright, this chicken only needs 5 ingredients: tomato paste, soy sauce, cumin, honey, and chili flakes. Massage all the ingredients into the chicken, cover it and leave it to marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Whilst they're marinating, getting to know each other, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees, or you can just cook your chicken over the grill. I'm going to place the chicken and the leftover marinade on a pan covered with aluminum foil and some oil spray, and then transfer it to the oven and let it bake for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on how big your chicken is. After the first 30 to 40 minutes, you're going to bring it out, flip it to the other side, pop it back in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes. By then, your chicken should be sizzling. The aroma of your house is just gonna be mwah. I used only 3 laps of chicken and cut it in half, so I had 6 pieces of chicken in total. All the information on this recipe is going to be posted below in the info box. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and you're going to try it. Comment down below what other recipes you want to see from me. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell down below so you get notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!